Test, test, test 1, 2, test, test, test 1, 2. I've got to turn the gain up, but let's test it out. Anyway.
Ready?
For what?
You're saying ready? You're gonna go, hey guys, welcome to
No.
I knew we're not doing that.
Alright, let's get in. I'm just going to throw up a blooper reel because trust me, there's plenty of bloopers to go around for. Oh, hi, Mom. Hi. Yes. Would you mind just like popping in the closet for a second? Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to. Hey guys, happy Make It Monday. So.
Don't say anything. Gosh, holy Toledo. All of this is being cut. God, this is so awkward.
That's gonna be so dumb.
Okay, no, watch the tape.
My name's Allison and let's try this again. I feel like I'm on TikTok. Oh, it still smells like pickles.
Ooh.
Don't tell Mom.
I already got nail polish on here yesterday too.
Are you serious?
I'm so
Does Mom
serious.
know?
No, it's just a little smudge over there.
Well, I gotta hope she doesn't watch this. Stop laughing at me.
Don't say, all right, guys, what should they do? And then like. What am I doing?
I'm gonna just fix up this edge.
Every takes up, your tape, wrapping up. Not at the same time.
Oh, well, it already happened. That is Hollywood, baby.